Happy birthday, Robert. Let's rock. Captain shot coming out later. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Coming at you at 6:13 a.m. West Coast, USA. Alright, happy Friday. It's gonna be epic. What a week, what I'm on. What a new year. That's been awesome. It feels great to know things are heading in the right direction. Staying on track. Nothing unexpected going on. Nothing too surprising. Altcoins back over 1T. Just like that, we're back over 1T. Slightly under yesterday, 977. Let's check our dollar, our daily dollar, going up and going down. A little bit of both. Our support area on it. Choppy today. With any luck, we'll get more dollar dip. don't really need it since the altcoins are blowing up. Obviously, S&P went straight down yesterday. No more funds and games on the S&P. Everyone's starting to realize how bearish it looks. It's hard to ignore when it goes straight down 2% in it every day.
Too much pressure, too much pleasure.
Hey, Lois Smith, Nerdy Dark, Pickles, Genix Gamer, Evil Taro, Mco, Crypto Cross, Stopet, Scott Hodge, Tom Johnson, Darren Rad, Ted, Underwater, Robert, Hornet, Powderhound, Bobby, Corey, Freddie, 43, Fly 4 Ton, Tommy Lynn, Captain Motorboat. She made it through the week. It did an awesome job. I'm proud of you. She made it through the week. Doesn't get much more intense than that. I had that one mellow afternoon on Wednesday. Besides that, everything's been going insane. Oh yeah, nice. Sean Johnson's doing some leverage trading on the altcoins. There you go. Stay all organized. Check our pre-market. We got 15 minutes. We're gonna have a short lunch break later today. Just a heads up. One more. How to do it. Sphere 3D booming from yesterday. That was awesome. End of day yesterday, Sphere 3D was going straight up, 30% straight up. Yeah, potentially. I might pick up a 6-pack of beer or something. Celebrate the end of the day with a cold, baby. Hey, Rodney Hingama. Good to have you all here today. Captain basically hasn't had a real meal since Wednesday. No time for food. This is going on. Sphere 3D is up over 10% on the morning. Pre-market already. It was up 30% after hours yesterday. It's already exploding. We're giving it a rocket ship. Can't wait. I've just been so busy. I didn't get everything I needed to get done last night. So I'm not prepared to go straight for 8 hours right now, but we'll go for a couple hours, take a short break, and then have an afternoon show. No big deal. I'm sure you'll be okay for an hour. Just don't paper hand for 1 hour. You can do it. We were looking at this after hours. It's actually on track for the Bart Simpson. Crazy enough. That's how insane the markets are. is actually on track for this. Bart Simpson, eat my shorts. His square head and his pointy hair. That's still active, viable. It never changed. We got a $20 long-term target from that. So it's not too late at all by any means. Sure, it's going up a lot pre-market. Usually you don't want to FOMO into something that's up 10, 20, 30% already. In this scenario, it's okay. You're still very early on it. Anything under 5 is good entries, really. Under 5 up to 20. So it's still down at 250. It's not bad. Bitcoin 3777, what the heck? I just saw a magic number on Bitcoin. We better get some 7s in the chat to start the day.
777.
It's been going green from that panic yesterday. Bit of a panic paper hand action yesterday. Whoa, oopsie-doo. Whoopsie-doo. How straight up again. Oh, okay, yeah, so I mean, fuck, it's going straight up right now, and so is dollar. Bitcoin's strong, even though dollar's going up. Usually, dollar pump, crypto dump. And Bitcoin continues to look powerful, regardless of all this going on. S&P. So that's the thing about it. It's like, sure, Bitcoin takes some damage and goes down pretty hard when S&P is going straight down. But then when the market's closed, it's right back to going green. When it's not following the S&P, it's going green. And so that's what being over 1T on the altcoin is all about. Now it's actually, we can check total as well. Yeah, working its way back up to 2T. So eventually, maybe over the weekend or by next week, we should be over 2Ts. $2 trillion on the crypto total market cap, including Bitcoin. Still under it right now, but holding the line. Got that wiggle room. But yeah, the altcoins are going, and we got some pre-market movements. All-time low. All-time low, 10% bounce pre-market. Just about to have a bullish crossover. AMPC. Looks like it wants some attention. Hey, Kelly. I'm so confused. I'm confused whose birthday it is. Why does everyone think it's Powderhound's birthday? It's not. I think it's Robert's birthday. Whoever's birthday it is, happy fucking birthday. Mowing going green from buy box, hot bevy, all-time low. It's never been lower before, besides this one small time right here for a few weeks, few months. But that was years ago. It's 2 years ago. Never ever been that low ever again. you can't expect these supports to hold. It's already bouncing pre-market. It's kind of like where mind med just come down to and everything. We might hit our Bitcoin alert. We might trigger our Bitcoin breakout alert today. I'm impressed with how that's looking already. Mullins, kind of like MindBed or whatnot, these ones have come all the way back down to the 2020 price levels 2 years ago. Oh, and Scott Hines' birthday too, sweet. That's a cool day for it on Friday after a huge week. It's always fun when somebody's celebrating their birthday with the crew, Captain. That's what I do too. I live streamed on my birthday last year. Remember? We're here together. Only one thing left to do. Maybe you'll get a birthday present on one of your favorite trades. Nothing might bring you a nice birthday present today. Grayscale Litecoin 49% discount right now. It's back to 50. Holy fuck. Makes me want to buy more. We already lifted the boat. Well, to be fair, we took a vote on it. We took a poll. Most votes came through. The majority voted for more accumulation on Grayscale Litecoin. You got what you want. More $5 entry. More 50% discount. Bitcoin legit magic number 3777. Keeps finding its way back there. It means we're on the right track. Yeah, so why is the discount going up so much again right now? Already back? How is it even back to 50%? Because the market is closed, so Grayscale Litecoin's not moving. It's still at 515 from yesterday. But of course, with Bitcoin going up, Litecoin's going up right now. Litecoin over 110. So Litecoin's going green, but Grayscale's still at 5. So the discount's getting even further and further stretched apart right now. That's all the tension that's built up on Grayscale Litecoin. That's why you would... There's reason to believe it's looking to go straight up. Yeah, Lois, you've been accumulating it every few days still. I'm thinking about it. Seriously. I was trying to be done. I'm not really trying to get any more, but how can you resist when it's like that? I might keep working on it myself while it's under 10. Oh, it's below 7. I thought about it this morning. I decided not to. Now I want to more. Now I want to again. I see the 49% discount. Now I want to buy some. Figure it out later. But yeah, very well might go straight up today. With Bitcoin booming, Sphere 3D. So the crypto stocks are hot right now. They're on fire right now. We're about to open. A lot of these were red yesterday, going green pre-market. They're just kind of recovering from yesterday. Power Bridge. See, Power Bridge went down 4% yesterday. Now it's up 4% pre-market. Oh, forget that. It just hit 5%. Here we go. Power Bridge opening 4 or 5% green. Top of the list, Sphere 3D, of course. Let the FOMO begin. That's a breakout. Now that we're opening with this, it's opening with a long-term breakout. That's a long-term development, not short-term, not even mid-term. That's exactly what it needs in the long-term, bigger picture here on Sphere 3D to get to the $20 target at some point this year. It's this breakout from all those resistances down here. That's what's happening right now. With that opening, it's perfect. That's Sphere 3D breakout. Green alert. Good on the cannons. Awesome, Lois. That sounds awesome. Yeah, I'm happy for her. I really am. She's gonna join the Grayscale Whale Club. She's been sticking to a plan, buying it every week. She said she almost hit her goal of holding 1,000 shares. She's almost up to 1,000 shares on it. Remember, 100 shares is a pretty good position, even if you're just going for 100 shares of Grayscale. That's a pretty decent position, because think about if it hits our target $100, you have 100 shares, you just made 10 grand. Turn $500 into 10 grand. If it hits $500, I probably shouldn't be doing math in my head before I had my coffee. I think I said that wrong. You get the point. Huge profit potential with just a small amount. Yeah, $100, 100 shares, 10 grand. So if it hits $500, the all-time high, and you have 100 shares, 50 grand. Ooh, AIAD breakout alert. Let's fucking go. Oh snap, AI's trying to hit our 0.05 target. There it goes. Fuck yeah. AI bulls. That was one of the best trades ever because it just went straight up since the day we entered it. There's been no doubt about it the whole time for 2 weeks, going straight up. That's badass, going for a full target. That was one of the smoothest swing trades ever. Entering down here 2 weeks ago, it's already up 200%. We're going for that 300%, that 0.05. The cryptocurrency's AI advertising is what it's called, AIAD. It's been one of the most bullish short midterm charts that we've been keeping up with for a while now, a few weeks. So people entered it at under 0.015. Down here. Everyone got their entries below that blue line. Oh, everyone's already up over 100%. That's awesome. Anyone who's trading that's already up over double their money. And it's still going. In just 2 weeks. And then, oh my goodness, yesterday. How about Kavo yesterday? That was epic. We got 100% all in one day on Kavo yesterday. It's opening 10% red, doesn't matter. It's holding $1 support. That's look how perfectly it's bouncing from our green support line. Kavo, that was a lot of fun. So don't be mistaken. Charts are going 100%. They're going 100% in a couple weeks on AI. They're going 100% in one fucking day on Kavo. It's happening. We're in it. It's actually taking place. It's not just what if, it's not just speculating about, oh, maybe one day we'll get some nice moves on it. No, they're crushing it right now. They're going nuts. This is what we've been waiting for all our charts to start blasting off like this. And they're happening just one at a time. It's just selective. So yesterday was Kaval's turn to shine, and today it might be a different chart's time to shine. Today it's looking like Sphere 3D, Sphere 3D, It's gonna have its day to shine, and I mean, the sky's the limit. Sphere 3D could have 100% day all in one day today if it wants to. That's how insane everything is right now. It's legit. We're getting these targets. There's actually a real possibility Sphere 3D has 100% fucking day all in one day today, just like Kaval. Raku feels lit. That February fire. Sorry, up 10%. Holding. Looking to go further. So, I'm looking at a whole dollar higher, $3.50, $4 end of day target. Way the heck up there. It's at $2.50. I'm looking at $3.50 for the end of day on it. That's 40-50% further to go. Just looking to have a huge day, guys. Day traders, day traders out there. Ah, 43. What? VThor popped 10%. Say it ain't so. I haven't doubled down yet. No, stop it. Stop the markets. Pause the presses. Everything's going straight up too fast. We need to get more treasure. Oh, fuck. I don't want all our crypto to go straight up yet. Yeah. That's the beginning of the FOMO on VThor. The FOMO began. VThor doesn't shoot up like that unless it means business. Like back here. Remember last time it got a nice bounce? VThor went 75% in one morning. Go up to dub 7 straight here. Boom, 100%. These things are explosive. It's like a bounce huge. We might even need to adjust this chart here. It's like it got. Did we fall through giant magic triangle on VThor? No. No. It just got moved around again. That's valid. There's no way VThor broke the giant magic triangle. We're calling that holding. Just a readjustment, whatever. Slight adjustment. Okay, let's say, what if it goes to all-time high from here? What is our target to all-time high now? 700% from back where it was in April. It's getting spicy. Remember, anything under 1 penny was good for accumulation. It's a third of a penny. It's a third of that. Dash, 98 bucks. So much for under 100 on Dash. No, don't do it yet. Stop that. Dash, what the fuck? Dash, you're supposed to wait for the captain to get in before you go over 100. That's what I was thinking about last night and this morning. I was like, I better make an entry on one of these things before they leave the station. But fuck, it's already happening. I mean, what are you gonna do? Nano's going straight up lately. Last week I wanted to get Nano under $2. Too late. It's way over 2. So I don't really want Nano to go straight up to $5 right now. Because if it stays down here, I could actually scoop some up for a month or two. A couple months, right? Accumulate it for a couple months before it goes straight up. But they're going right now. There's no time for Dash under 100. It's not going to stay under 100 very long. It's already 98.50. So this is what we were talking about yesterday. They're all going greens. In the reef, we had we're looking at reef. It's a nice entry. Some of these offshoot ones even. Whoa. They're putting in big bounces. Digibite looking promising. Okay, well, and balancer, of course, balancer from down there, hot baby. It's in the coffee cup. Not for long by the looks of it. So if that's all going on and Litecoin's breaking out, let's check out Litecoin again one more time. So very much trying to break out, trying to hit a bigger target on Litecoin here as it's been trying to do for a couple of weeks even. Headstock purple is your favorite color? That's random color names in the chat every day. Sometimes it happens to be green on the most green of days, other times it happens to be red on red. Weird coincidence. Nice purple today. Yeah, Powder Hound. I remember that. Yesterday, Powder Hound got 5 dash at the end of the day. He said, "Let it rip. Sorry, Captain." Well, 150 short term on Dash right there, straight up after it went straight down a few days ago. So that's kind of where Litecoin's at the moment as well here, where Litecoin is grayscale. Okay, good, grayscale's not going straight up yet. We got some more time. We got another day. This is what Litecoin's looking to do. The Litecoin projection. Same with Dash. Same number. Same fucking number. 144. When it went straight down last week. Just trying to go straight up here back to 150 area. So that can happen today or just over the weekend. All of a sudden Litecoin's back at 150. Alright, back to the stock opening. Sphere 3D holding 14%. No problems at all. There's no slowing down. There's nothing bearish here at all. I got nothing bearish to say about it. It's bullish as fuck. Bullcats here. Sphere 3D all in. All in YOLO. Yeah, that's right, Headstock. Let everything rip. We'll find more hot babies. Fuck that. That's right. We're ready for it. We got enough treasure in December and January. How long have people been accumulating Sphere 3D like 6 months. Going way back into mid last year before that big breakout ever happened. This is where we first started charting Sphere 3D. And guess what? That's the price it's at again right now today. After that, after it went up hundreds of percents. So obviously it went too far too fast. Somebody took profits, others just held for long term and doubled down and whatnot. That's all over. That all happened for the last 6 months. Now it's time to go straight up. It's at 15% now. It's looking at a huge day, a huge month. This is gonna be looking to be on the top of our watch list for the whole month long. Still going 16% now. There's nothing bearish. There's no reason for this shit to go down. It's not gonna go down today. It's gonna stay very green. It's not very often when you get such a perfect setup where you can feel that confident about it and you know exactly what's going on. You have nothing to doubt it, no reason to worry about it if you're entering it going long. It's a perfect timing. It was more speculative on the way down back here. We didn't know if it was gonna hold 3 or not. After all this, all the paper hands got shaken out. We got solid bounce from a $2 stop went out straight up. This is bullish as bullish gets. Hey Ted, you're looking for a day trade target on it? Well, good news then. In terms of the day trade target on it, so again, the sky's the limit. $3.50, $4. Yeah, we're looking at, look, if it goes up 50%, you see it up 50%, that's, you take profits on your day trade. Anything over 30% on the day. So when it's going over $3, you're already thinking about taking profits. Hits $3.50, you're taking profits. $4, you're out completely. That's a day trade. As far up as you can get it, as far up as we can take it. It's kind of like the Kaval trade yesterday. It's sure Kaval was a day trade yesterday if you wanted it to be. There was really no target. It kept going and going and going, so it was just seeing how far you could take it and then locking in profits at the end of the day. So hopefully Sphere 3D just keeps going up all fucking day and you don't even care what price it hits and you just take profits at the end of the day either way. But it's more than a day trade. It's much more than just a day trade. That's why it's booming right now. Just because it's breaking out in the short term, going for a midterm, long term wave. So 350, it hits 350, you're definitely taking profits. Because honestly, real day traders, they already would take profits right now. They would have bought it yesterday and sold it right now. Well, it's up 15%. So if you're getting in here, you gotta wait till the afternoon, see if you get 30-40% on it, then cash out. It's giant day trade targets, huge day trade targets. I'll let you know. We'll keep up with it, I'm sure. It's on the top of the list. It's looking to be one of the best performing ones today. Not Kaval. Not necessarily Kaval. Kaval may or may not make it further up. That's probably going to depend on dollar dip. We are getting some green on the S&P on the opening, a bit of a bounce, some chop. Yeah, and dollar's going up still. Dollar is bouncing, so wow, alright. We kind of need this in a weird way, backwards kind of way, because, well, dollar going up should cause S&P to go down. should cause all the bear trades to go down. And Sphere 3D is not gonna care. Sphere 3D don't care about dollar right now. Sphere 3D doesn't even know what the dollar is. It's crypto, baby. Bitcoin mining company. LMFA, so this is starting strong too. A big bounce on it from the all-time low. That's all I want to say about it. LMFA laughing my fucking ass off. All-time low. That's all I think of when I see the ticker laughing my fucking ass off. At the all-time low and heavy. It's too easy. Too easy. Move it. What's next? Bring me more. Bring me another. Power Bridge all-time low. Too easy. Been showing consistently consecutive signs of strength day in day over. Every day going green when most other things are red, but still has not blasted off yet. Just tells you that she's getting ready for something. Asia broadband, as it should be. We were talking about that yesterday, the crypto exchange. That's hot bevy right now. I like it down there. I like it a lot down there. It's kind of like Sphere 3D. Funny enough, they both start with the same letter. And we got that AI breakout alert too. Letter A's are killing it today. Alphabetology. Well, what about AMC? That starts with the letter A. 1490. We gotta see if it closes 15 or not end of day. It is green on the opening. Okay, okay. Not taking damage from the dollar at the moment. That's what I'm noticing, alright? Look at all the green charts we have. They're not going down from the dollar pump. They're not caring about the dollar. Usually when we see dollar going straight up like this, our charts are getting wrecked. They're tanking. They're going straight down. Not right now. Our charts are holding up very well. They're all mostly green. They're not taking any damage from dollar. Let's just call it dollar damage. That's just what I'm gonna call it from now on. Sundial's not taking no dollar damage. 50-cent breakout, Sundial. There it is. That's a long time coming. That's way overdue on Sundial. That's why I haven't been pulling up the chart for 2 months. We're just waiting on it. 50-cent breakout, Sundial. Where's fucking go? Told you it's gonna be a big day today. Happy Friday. This is what we need to see. We just want some bigger developments. We just want Sundial to actually do something bigger for once. The last 2 fucking months, right? There's been no reason to even look at the chart. It's been boring chart for 2 months. Now it's lit. I'm happy about that. That's all we want to see today. Stuff like that. Ride. We want to see Ride close over 3. Not taking any dollar damage. It's perfect. Should close over 3 on Ride today. That's all we're asking for. Except for AI. AI is a different case all on its own. AI is just hitting targets left and right like no one's business. It is a unique situation right now. Not many of our charts are going parabolic straight up, crushing targets like Capo yesterday, okay? There's only selective charts that do this, though. Right now. That's what AI has been doing. AD. This one is straight up parabolic, not fucking around. There's no time, it's too late, it's getting close to the top, not the bottom. We're hitting targets, we're taking profits. This is way different from the other ones right now. It's the only one really besides Cavo yesterday. Everything else is still developing. Sphere 3. Is this about to trigger the alert that I just put on? We don't even need an alert because it's going straight up. But we do, because it's gonna be hitting that target soon by the looks of it, and you better get your profits in order. Alright, AI bulls, now's your time to prove yourself. Are you gonna win it? Or are you gonna be a greedy bastard and get stuck holding the bag? When this goes straight down on Monday, are you gonna get stuck in it? Or are you gonna be a stock pirate and lock in that fucking profit? That's what I thought. 0.05, it gets 0.05, you're already up 300%, lock in the goddamn profits. You don't even need to sell it all. It's not like you even need to sell half. We could just sell a third of it, a fourth of it, and get your initial investment right back out. So if you started with like 10K in it, now you're up like 40 grand, you just sell a fourth of it, get your 10 grand back out, you still have 30 G's on the table. That's how far up it's gone so fast, so quickly, that you don't even need to sell half. You do whatever you want at this point. There's so many choices, so many possibilities there. But definitely take some profits at 0.05, my goodness, you have to. That's all we were hoping for the whole time, and it hit it so perfectly. You're a coconut if you don't. Don't be a coconut. Log in some profits today, and you don't care if it goes straight down Monday. It would be terrible. You're gonna feel like a real coconut if you hold it all day long. It goes straight up, and then Monday morning straight down, and you didn't take profits and you missed it. You won the trade. You're winning the trade today. Make sure of that. Ensure that it's a win, that you won the trade by locking in the profits and closing the trade. Finish the trade today. It was that's all it was from the beginning, was a short, midterm, long swing trade. It's not a long-term hold. You're not trying to hold it for 6 months. Just take those profits and run. Throw it back into Metin or something after. And put those profits right back into Metin or Sphere 3D. Over 16% now. Just hit a new higher high on the day. I'm gonna get a beer on our lunch break. We might have to chug a beer for this one end of the day. Do some celebrating on Sphere 3D. Yeah, Robert already fucked up by not buying it in the first place. So make sure you win the trade by taking those profits. Right, just like Kaval, for that day trade, if you got in it yesterday morning, you made 100% in one day. It was obvious profit taking. But if you're diamond hands in Kaval for long term, there are much bigger targets for the future. This is just the beginning of where we're going this year. Isn't this an incredible start? It's already going 100% when it's trying to do this the rest of the year. AI breakout alert. Get ready to take those fucking profits. Let's go. Oh yeah. It's about time we hit some targets, right guys? It's been a while since we're hitting some real targets. Over 0.04 now. We just hit 0.04. We're going for 0.05. And I will say this every time we hit targets. And I do say this every time we hit targets. But it hasn't been profit taking time. What do we have to talk about all day the last 3 months? Is everyone panicking? Right? Everyone's emotions that they're trying to get over. Alright, Swift Mischief, hell yeah.
For your cold Bevy. Cheers. 777.
And Ted, thanks for the 7 Ted. We got 2 rolling. We got 2 badasses crushing it on Cobble. Potentially AI. Thanks so much, guys. Heck yeah, see, there we go. There's the treasure raining down. Crew's actually getting some treasure again. It wasn't profit taking time last month. We weren't hitting any targets. We just had to stay calm and hold strong and plan for this shit. Good thing we had time to plan for our target so we know exactly what to do today. We're not just seeing it for the first time, FOMOing in on a risky entry at 0.04. No, we got in before it happened. Time to get that treasure. We're getting the treasure back to town. It's awesome. I'm glad you guys Swift Mischief and Ted. I'm glad you both are having some success with that today. It makes me feel good to know you're succeeding. Just one win of many. One of many. You're not gonna get rich off AIAD swing trade. This isn't gonna get you rich. That's just one of many more the rest of the year. Swift Mischief, I'm not sure your alert lagging or something. It's not popping up. I see it in the chat. You said first round on Cobble. It is going for it, so much so we're gonna need another alert. That's how close it's getting. Let's see when we get to 4.5, then it's really getting up there. Very close to our targets, meaning that when that next alert triggers, you can already be locking in profits. You already could right now. If you're up over 100%, you can already be locking some in. Whenever you want at this point. That's what's epic about. Alright, what's the short-term target for 3D? It's tricky because I hate to even say end of day because I don't, just because it's a day trade entry, just because there's short-term potential doesn't mean it's gonna hit it by the end of the day. It could hit it after hours, it could hit it Monday. So let's just call it the short-term target, but up at 350, 3W7 really. It's between 350 and $4. So even from where it is right here, right now, being up 16%, that's 40 more percent. So this thing's looking to go over 50% potentially by the end of the day here. It all continues smoothly. So there you go. When we see it up 40-50% later today, you know what to do. That's day trade target. Get what you can and run. Otherwise, it's long term. And we're going for the long term $10, $15, but ultimately a lot further than that, up to 20. Ultimately, we're going for a $20 target up here. So if you wanted to do some diamond handsing on it from down here, that's valid too. It just popped. It's up 18% now. Oh. Imagine if we got 100% day trades in 2 days in a row. Fucking Cobble yesterday, that's 3 days, 100% today. That'd be so epic. It's a great start, 20% on the first half an hour of the day. What the FOMO booger? Hey Swift Mistress, just out of curiosity, did you do that super chat message? Was that through YouTube? Perhaps. That's why we like Streamlabs. It never came through on the alert. I saw it in the chat though. It's unusual. Ted's came through. Probably gonna pop up randomly later today. This never really happened before where the robot skipped over one. Makes me think it's something to do with YouTube. Anyway, AI 11%. So badass. And today's letter of the day is the letter A. A plus. You got an A plus on your market exam. Okay, thanks Swift Mischief. That's good to know. I was just curious. It's no worries, man. Don't feel bad about it. I appreciate the support. But you know, YouTube can be a coconut. It can be a coconut, so two messages came through at the same time. The one on Streamlabs popped up instantly. The one on YouTube didn't go through yet. 5 minutes later. Sundial right over 50 cents. 51, 52. 52 now, Sundial straight up. Woo! We gotta give it a rocket chip. Goodbye, Sundial. Have fun on them one. Under 50 cents. That should have been $1 last year already. Under 50 cents. Don't make the captain laugh. If you were Sundial Mega Bull and you were working on Sundial as one of your favorite holds, you'd be buying the fuck out of that dip last week, just like on Grayscale Litecoin. Sphere 3D or TCAT. It depends which one's your favorite. Maybe that was Sundial for a couple of you. Street chat. Anything under 50 cents was incredibly nice entries on it. So now it's going straight up. It's like, see you later, 50 cents, no more 50 cents ever again, probably. Go straight up to $1, guys. Sundial's trying to pull a pirate wedge 100% to $1. Sundial's a day trade now. It's up 7.77% on the day. Beautiful. It was perfect so far. I got no complaints with what's going on. We haven't even had to check the dollar. We haven't even had to check the S&P. Unlike yesterday, I was checking them every 10 minutes because they're fucking around. It doesn't even matter if we're hitting targets all over the place. Who cares? Mine meg going green from that dollar bounce straight up again. My goodness, they're going straight up. High speed warp drive. Yeah, YouTube takes a cut of the booty. They take a cut of the treasure. That's bad. You know, whatever's easiest, it's all good. It's all relative, but yeah. That's how corporate they are. That's why. Think about it. I've never turned on commercials ever on any video, ever. I have no sponsors ever. They don't want to promote the live show. They don't want people watching this live show because they're not making money off the commercials. If I had commercials on, they'd probably be recommending the live show to everyone. YouTube only wants to be popular if you're making them lots of money off commercials. It's pretty obvious. Oh, our grayscale Litecoin discount's going away. It's going straight up. 540 straight up. Grayscale ounce today. We're running out of time. Yeah, it never even fell under 5. It held like 501. Never fell below 5. No 499. Only back there at one time. Powderhound forgot to smash the thumbs up. Yeah, so honestly, who knows, in the future, YouTube might not even exist 5 years from now, and we might just be on Discord, Bitcoin straight up! Bitcoin blast out Friday! Oh my goodness. They don't care what the dollar's doing. What? They're going straight up even though the dollar's going straight up too. It is wild. I hate to take a lunch break, but we're going to in about an hour or so. We're gonna have a short lunch break so we can crush it the rest of the day after. S&P is barely holding green. It's about to go red, so that's all S&P cares about dollar. S&P's getting hurt because dollar showing weakness, taking dollar damage. Bitcoin's not. Bitcoin's not at all. The opposite. Holy shit. Holy shit, the opposite. What? It couldn't be any stronger. It's been waiting to do this, and we're like, okay, when's it gonna happen? It was struggling to go up because all the market chaos and confusion and FUD and uncertainty and doubt and bullshit, paper handing. Now it's like, all right, enough's enough. I'm going straight up. I stayed down for too long. It's not taking any dollar damage whatsoever. It should be getting wrecked today. It should be going straight down with dollar going straight up. It's almost 39. We're almost at 40K already. That's Bitcoin going straight up. 38,777. I saw that. And here's dollar going straight up also at the same time. When have we ever seen dollar go straight up and Bitcoin go straight up at the same time? Never. It doesn't typically do that. That's how strong crypto is right now. Oh man, I might have to make it fire some cannons at an altcoin. Might have to fire some cannons. These things are, oh, they are not fucking around. Grayscale's breaking out. Grayscale Litecoin might have a giant day today, a huge green day. Just like Sphere 3D, over 20% now. It kept going, it's up over 20%, higher high. We're going for 40-50% on it at the end of the day. Yeah, Swift Mischief, you got some more nano this morning. Nice, nice. Don't buy it all without me. I gotta think about it. I still haven't even decided which one I want to start accumulating next. There's no time. They're not waiting around for nobody. Not for me, not for you, not for fucking Michael Saylor. Not for Elon Musk. TAL 299. That's on fire right now. Looking for the $3 close. Power Bridge 5%, guys. Straight up. Morning. Yup. Tilray from $5 hot bevy. Even fucking Robinhood's been bullish from $10. We called that one. It was funny. The day Robinhood was down there, so it was bullish. It has gone up 50% in a week. Virgin Galactic pushing from the hot bevy, starting strong on the day. These ones aren't taking any dollar damage. Of course, back to Crypto One from the all-time low. Nikola from under 10. Fuck yeah, Ride trying to get over 3 today. Finished the week over 3. We're sending it. We're sending it. They're all green somehow. Even though the dollars are going straight up, they're all green. What? Metin green. Metin doesn't care about dollar. Oh, that's awesome. GameStop 100 flat, very suspicious. 100.00. But not taking dollar damage. Even GameStop's not taking dollar damage. Lucid in the 25 buy box. See how that goes, but so far so good. It's definitely relevant. It's noticeable. Blackberry green under 10. Oh, Bitcoin just crushed out at 39. There it goes. It's going for 40. Oh fuck! Get fire the cannons! Get those altcoins quick! Get the rest of the altcoins quick! There's no time. Altcoins are going. Oh shit! It's going straight up. There she blows. There go the altcoins. They're gonna follow it straight up. We gotta steal the rest of the altcoins over 39.5. Awesome. So we're gonna take our first trading break, coffee intermission. Make another round of coffee. We'll go for another hour, take a quick lunch break, and then finish with a bang this afternoon. Happy Friday, y'all. What an exciting start to the day. Couldn't be going any better. We can get our fuck yeah, Kelly. Captain gets so excited he causes you to FOMO into things. Oh yeah, it's my fault the charts are going straight up. I guess I'll take credit for that. if you want to blame me for the charts going straight up. Yeah, Bentley, my hype gets you hyped. Well, your hype gets me hyped. So whose fault really is it now? YVR, Liquid Media Group, another lost treasure. Wow. Okay, we got our AI breakout alert for the target, so Sphere 3. Well, fuck, Sundial's hitting that 10%. Sundial's joining the 10% club. It's lit. There's Sundial, am I right? Awesome. This has been one of the best weeks ever, honestly. Let's get some more 7th in the chat if you're enjoying the show today. Enjoying the week with the crew. If you're happy to be a fucking stock pirate, a real life profiteering, real life privateering. I'm 7th in the chat. This has been one of the best weeks so far all year. We couldn't have asked for it to go better than that. It's fucking perfectly on track. I'm so happy about it. Nothing unexpected. What if Bitcoin was doing this straight down this morning? That would be brutal. It could have been going straight down to 30K right now. So this is perfect. Sundial could be going straight down right now with a dollar pump. It is perfect. You're all winning more than you even know. I saw that, man. Vthor, yeah. Hang on, Vthor. I was gonna double down. Or stop buying all the Vthor. Save some for the rest of them. Cool. We're cruising, we're grooving. Jumping back into the church. Welcome back, traders. Swabby, you probably picked the worst day to sleep in. Do you see what's going on right now? You already missed a lot. Bitcoin straight up. S&P 0.01% green. Flashing red, S&P. Camilla, one moon right now. 1 hour ago. Not taking any dollar damage. Bitcoin hasn't hit 40K quite yet. Very close. About to right now. Yep, grayscale Litecoin's mooning. Fuck. I kind of wanted to buy some more. I have mixed feelings about this, whatever. Goes up, stays flat. We'll play it both ways. It's either we got more accumulation or it's gonna go straight up. So one or the other, both are good. How is it gonna stay in accumulation at $5 when Bitcoin's going straight up? It's not. What? LC, what the? Dang, that sounds crazy, man. Probably traumatizing too, so you hear that. That's whack. Some gunshots flew through the wall last night while he was sleeping. I'm glad you're okay, man. What the fuck? Well, hey, you're having a good day today, aren't you? That makes today all the much better. Live to trade another day. It's only uphill from here, yeah. I'm sure you're not too worried about your trading portfolio right now then. That's a quick way to forget about your red position. I'm glad you're here with us. As always, even more so. Get some vengeance. Yeah, right, Trunk Randy. All the crew lives in Florida. That's the craziest stories. Florida crew. Here goes Power Bridge, guys. It's happened. Power Bridge, I know. We're not waiting for it every day, but today's that day. It's the best chance it has right now. Power Bridge straight up. About to hit our breakout alert. It's up 9%. We haven't had a 9% opening on it. It's the strongest opening Power Bridge has had this whole time. Yeah, you're protected by the 7s. We need to put on our helmets and our bulletproof vests when we're trading. Since everything was straight up on the opening like that, they are hitting a bit of a speed bump. Not that it really matters or changes anything, like Sundial hitting that 52 speed bump. It's just slow it down for half an hour or whatever. Backed holdings from all-time low. Crypto stock. It's kind of like Grayscale. 10x targets or more. From under 5 it's 10x targets. That's why it's undervalued. That's why it's getting bought up quickly. Now that we're seeing it happening on other charts, I mean, I'm expecting this to happen. I mean, this is looking to happen. It really is. It's not just what if. This is what the chart's trying to do, is go from down here to up there 10x. Simple as that. Fuel cell right over 4. An all-time low. Fuel cell showing strength. Hot heavy bounce.
Hot beverage.
Yeah, they probably were shooting at the wrong house. That's what coconuts do. They fire their cannons at all the wrong targets. You need to pinpoint the perfect entry, then fire the cannons. They got Grayscale. Super bounce Grayscale Litecoin today. As expected, it's pretty apparent it's gonna go straight up all day with Bitcoin moving like that. Oh, we might hit magic number today on it. 777. This is zero accumulation last couple of weeks. Probably not gonna stay down here long. That makes me want more, but at the same time, all the altcoins are fire right now. UFO 13% again. Wow. Yeah, I was saying there's no sign of slowing down. She's been crushing it. This is the last week. In 1 week, this is what UFO altcoins done. 150% throughout the last few days. It's not just Kavl going 100%. S&P 1/3% red. Well in the red now. On the day. This could be a really brutal day on the S&P. Go straight down all day on S&P. That's what's crazy about Bitcoin. S&P's going straight down. Bitcoin going straight up. LC, let us know if you hear any developments to get thrown in the brig. Okay, also AI is still maintaining, still going for 0.05 end of day. Street 3D maintaining 15%. Grayscale's Tower Lumens on the top of the list, another Grayscale. Grayscale Litecoin, well, it is on the top of the list, it's just that we have it separated. Grayscale Litecoin up 9%. Yeah, Freddy. So cool, man. He's stoked on his successful trades. In 2 days, he made over 200%. AIAD. That's what being a stock pirate's all about. I'm stoked for you. You got in the markets at a perfect time. I remember talking to you a couple of weeks ago. I was like, it's the perfect time to be getting in a sword. And it was. And now you're making 200% in 2 days. Yeah, if you got in the markets 2 months ago, it wasn't the perfect time and you didn't make 200% yet. It depends when you got in. Just proves the power of our charts. Just shows you if you did catch them at the perfect penny entry at the very right time, then you're already killing it. Something was down 20%. It's Kavo. That's Kavo from 100% day yesterday. Kavo's the most read chart today. Aggro Grizzly, still excited about Zella. Yeah, it looks good. She, you didn't want to give up on it yesterday. Aggro Grizzly made a mistake and he over traded it. He bought in at a weird time and then got out at a weird time, then got back in, whatever. And he was ready to just give up, just fuck it. I'm messing everything up. I'm gonna quit trading forever. No, you're good. Stay calm, hold strong. We still got a $1.30 target on Zella. It just needs more time. Don't change your mind on Monday. Don't do anything. Aggro Grizzly, that's your homework assignment today. Don't press any buttons. Okay, Gimp, yeah, okay. Best of luck with all that. Lost your job today. Guess you're a full-time stock pirate now. Well, of course, don't try and force it. This is where a lot of the traders went wrong last year with quitting their job. They tried and forced it. You still wanna find your next new job, then don't just try and, oh, I'm gonna do a bunch of day trades every day and never have to go back to work again. It's the wrong way to approach it. There's no need to even do that. You might be getting greedy with it. It's kind of like getting greedy. Like, oh, I'm just gonna stop everything I'm doing to trade all day, every day. That doesn't mean it's gonna be effective. Just because you spend all day staring at the charts doesn't mean it's gonna be effective. Yeah, Edgar Grizzly, I just said don't give up on it. That's your homework assignment today. Don't press any buttons. Yeah, okay, cool. GIMP, you're a long-term holder. Perfect, yeah. Yeah, so stick to that plan. And stick to your long-term holds and try and get a new line of work in the future where you can keep funding your accumulation and everything, rather than just dwindling down your profits to live off of. Because if you don't have work and then you start taking all your money out of the markets to pay the bills, it's going to be really difficult. Hey, Black Natsu. Nice. Double downs on some puts and everything. That's so cool. We got our bears doubling down on the puts. We got our bulls loading up on the hot bevies. We got our crypto crew killing it. Yeah, I mean, whoa, okay, yeah. Activision Blizzard did have a hard candle down there. It certainly has been breaking down, but it's taking longer than you would have expected. Freddy's long-term holding, but he likes to build his portfolio too. Sure. That's the beauty of a proper portfolio balance. I'm gonna show it again. Since we're talking about it. I recommend proper portfolio balance. If you quit your job and just start day trading all the time, you're not going to have any investments. You're not going to have any crypto holds. On the other hand, if you're just entirely loading up on hot bevies for long-term holds, you're missing out on all your swing trading, like on AI advertising or Etsy puts or whatever. It's not good to be all in one of the categories. You should have a selection of a few of these, so you can make some swing trades while you're holding your speculative crypto plays. Hey JB, hope you're doing well, man. I sent you a message yesterday, checking in. Crew was wondering, we noticed you missing in the chat this week. We were wondering where you're at. You're out of your old spot, staying at a hotel? Alright, sweet. Just in time, apparently your neighbor LC just got his house shot up. You guys must be neighbors. I'm making light of a serious situation, but I know how it is. That's how it was living in Portland.
Come on, $BD. Got some more $9th of June calls. I'd like to see it show some strength soon.
Yeah, Blackberry. Alright. Let's take a look. That's how it was living in near the city a couple years ago. So I left, I think. Yeah, Brant, he's still in Portland. He said it's worse now. I believe it. There was no sign of it coming back. It was falling apart. So I left. Once all the shootings in the neighborhood down the street started happening, once there were daily gunshots in the neighborhood, like, fuck that, I'm out. Got my life threatened one too many times. AutoZone, straight down from 2000. Let's go. AutoZone puts back on track. Coconut bounce no longer. What coconut bounce? straight down. Yeah, so the point of that story is if you can get yourself into a more safe environment, that might actually help you with your trading and your emotions and your safety, and you don't have as much to worry about, so you can spend more time trading, charting. That's what I mean by most important trade happens offline with your environment and your job and your family. You know, you get a divorce and then your significant other takes half your money anyway. Like, you can be the best trader ever. You make $1 million this year and then you get a divorce and lose it all anyway. Hershey's going red under the resistance. There we go. This is what we want to see. Hershey's fake out breakout yesterday. Everything I'm pulling up is on track. It's looking perfect. Tesla 899 stuck. Nvidia stuck. Going down. Of course, Etsy had a major red day yesterday. And it's still continuing down. It's still going down. Oh, JD Party, yeah. You got your divorce before you started trading? Oh, you're all good then. You're all set. Let's check out that BlackBerry trade that not bored enough got going on. So it's a lower low down here, but it's still developing. That's okay. It's not. We didn't really expect it to bounce from exactly there. It's just a rough area around 750 magic number. Went pretty much to 7 there. So, alright, I mean, to make it clear what's going on, to be very clear with what's going on at the current BlackBerry price, all I would do is lower the entry, just lower the gold buy box a little bit. It's enter gold buy box, I would say so. But I'm not gonna do that. I like where it is still. Okay, so if BlackBerry bounces today, finishes up at the magic number, that's all you would want out of it. If it closes over magic number today, it's good to go. Closing under magic number, a bit of question of how it's going to go early next week. But closing back here should be nice and strong next week. Yeah, I mean, it's no surprise it's taking more than a few days, a few touchdowns there. Because it was such a major sell-off all year last year. So anything under 10 is good for long-term holds. When it's down here currently with everything else we've seen going up, when we see all the other bullish charts bouncing strong from their long-term supports, so this is the long-term support here where we are, just below the green buy box, meaning that anything, all this down here, this is bear trap. It's not looking to go that low ever again. So it does appear that it's getting it all over with here, shaking out the last paper hinge from last year. And we probably will see it start bouncing huge, just like all our other favorites like Sphere 3D and stuff. And, you know, it is cool because these are long-term bull run charts that have been going up since 2020, technically, with higher lows. Trending up for 2 years. They don't need to be all-time low. BlackBerry does not need to hit all-time low to bounce. That's where Sphere 3D's at. This is not all-time low on Sphere 3D. That's just bouncing from nice support long-term uptrend. They don't have to go all the way down to the bottom. So BlackBerry, we're looking for it to stay between 7 and 10 there, and then inevitably push right through 10. Not bored enough mentioned a date on his calls. June. Oh yeah, for June, yeah. You got plenty of time. He's got like 6 months for BlackBerry to hit $9. I'm sure BlackBerry will break out over $10 at some point before the end of the year. Some point in the next 6 months. Very nice, Jeff. We got VXX being green, as it should be. Continuation straight up. It's still lagging. It's still lower than it should be. So really, this thing can go huge today. Pop up $25, $30. I'm just curious where it's gonna close. That's not even a question. I'm expecting this to go straight up on VXX. With S&P getting wrecked already. Is exactly what we were thinking with the S&P today. Having a very weak day for the Friday close, closing bearish, and then next week continue down. So VXX is already starting to work its way in the right direction. S&P going down, it should be going up, and it is. So it's looking like at the very least we're going to be holding over $20 on it today, and that's all we needed for the Friday close. We might even finish the day over 25 and look that much stronger for next week. So that means next week we're probably going to be up at the top of the breakout box trying to push through $30, and boom, gets through $30 next week. S&P goes red next week again. We should be hitting big targets on this soon, just within a week or two. So it's cool because dollar, it's not really helping us, but on the other hand, it's not really hurting us. It is hurting S&P. We need that to happen. We want that. That's fine. It's not hurting crypto. Bitcoin still hasn't hit 40K, but how could it not at this rate? The resistance on Bitcoin, it's not even 40, it's more like 42. It's up here, 42. Beyond 40K. So with how fast it's moving on the open, it's like how could it not hit 40 today? It's almost destined to leave the S&P in the dust somehow. Pretty remarkable. Usually they do trend together. This is complete opposite on them today. Up 6% when S&P's down 0.5% already. If Bitcoin's really correlated with S&P right here, don't you think it would be following it straight down right now? Taking some damage, showing weakness. So they're not following each other, they're not correlated right now. It's just doing its own thing. Truly incredible start to the day. We're gonna crush it in another 30 minutes or so. Wrap things up, take a lunch break, and finish with a bang when we get back. Litecoin breaking 115 already. Goodbye 110. There's 115 already. So even if it doesn't get that far today, over the weekend, crypto crypto's gonna rip all weekend by the looks of it. Probably be up at 150 over the weekend or next week, early next week on Litecoin there. It's looking at putting in a big 40-50% push. ICP, yeah, super lit. It's on fire from a few days ago. ICP ready to explode. 100% targets short term over the week from 20 to 40 on ICP short term targets. My goodness. Yeah, balancer 2 powder house more than ready. There it goes. Balancer blast off. We got the same action on all those undervalued ones. Taking the hammer last week, dropping straight down lower than they should be, chopping around. A little bit of accumulation. Now they're breaking out, going straight back up. Balancer trying to get straight back up to 20 bucks. Another 100% from 10 to 20. Do you notice how many of our short-term targets are 100%? Dash just hit 100. No! Don't do that! Go back down and invite. I know I'm gonna miss it. I know I'm gonna miss Dash. That was it. That was the $100 under 100 entry. The only time it's been there in 2 fucking years. Only stayed down there for a week. That was it. Now it's over 100. Goodbye, $99 Dash. Last time it was under 100, 2 years ago, 2020. And this morning, that's it. That's your under 100 entries down here at the bottom. Sheesh. I want more time. No, we want more time. This team's going up too fast. There's no time. Steam broke out 40% yesterday. Yeah, for sure, dope it. I'm gonna grab a 6-pack of cold bevies. Pop a cold one at the end of the day. After such an epic, successful week. That 100% cobble yesterday. That was awesome. I'm saying there's no time on the altcoins because you don't, if you don't accumulate now and you wake up tomorrow morning and then holy shit, my favorite altcoin popped 50%. Now it's too late. Steam's up to 50 cents on Monday morning. You missed it. Nano goes up to $5 next week. You missed it. And of course, when we're talking about all that, Grayscale Litecoin goes to $10 next week. You miss it. If it's $10 just by next week, then it's like, oh, there go the hot bevy. No more fire entries on Grayscale Litecoin. It could be as quick as next week, and it's all done. And that was it. No more $5 entries. So it really is starting to feel like we're running out of time. It's like, wait a second, hang on, I didn't get my Steam yet. Stop popping 50% overnight, Steam. So, don't go over 100 just yet, Dash. I legit might have bought some over the weekend. I'm thinking about it. But I'm not going to if it hits $150 today. I wanted to get it at 90. So I'm already feeling like I missed it. It's like, fuck, I already missed the $90 Dash entry, alright? Don't hesitate to accumulate these fire altcoin entries right now if you like them. Things like Digibyte down there. Long-term uptrend. Effectively the all-time low. Bouncing already. Super hot bevy from last year. Down 90% and is holding the VPVR point of control. Look at that. The red line is so perfect. None of the other altcoins that I've seen that have a point of control so perfectly right there. That's everything. You don't need anything more. You can go long based on those puzzle pieces. That's enough to feel really confident about it. But over the weekend, it might jump 100% and then you missed it. So get it while it's hot down here. It was a giant target. It can't wait. You can't really wait another month to enter these things, you know? Maybe they'll be reasonable next month still. Maybe Dash will hit 150 and then next month it comes back down to 100 and you can get another entry, but like really there's no need to wait at all. The only reason you would wait is if you don't have any dry powder available. Otherwise, fire all the cannons. I've said it before, I'll say it again. If I had like $10 million in the bank just waiting to go, I would buy all these altcoins. I would buy millions of dollars of these altcoins right now. They're good enough as is. We don't need them any lower to feel good about entries. And we're getting a bit of a dollar dip, can help send them even further. Wow. This is market insanity today. Nice, AI 16% now. About to trigger our alert. It's on the top of the list. It's outperforming Street 3D. We're crushing targets. Very cool. Sundial still cruising through 52 cents. Power Bridge holding 7% green, top of list. And next ID there. Archon from a hard bottom. It's Archon. Just a nice example of a solid bottom bounce. That green line. Of course, Robinhood's breaking out $15. Ride, nice, there's Ride, just under 3. Ride and fuel cell, yep, and DRV, bearish real estate, yep, makes perfect sense. So we were talking a lot about yesterday, the real estate bubble popping, right? That's up 5% today, 5% on bearish real estate. Everything we were talking about yesterday just happening. So a continuation, TAL, Virgin Galactic, fuck yeah. And it does look like with such an explosive opening, Yeah, BBI, Breakout Health, still primed and ready to go as well, BBI. TCAT green. They're not taking any dollar damage. There's no dollar damage on those. Ethereum holding over 3. Nice bounce the other day. Just a long term on Ethereum. See how low it's come down to. Giant targets. And Metten's down there on the bottom of the green list. Same with Blackberry. So I would go as far to say that any of them that are green right now, they're showing strength. They're looking powerful, good potential. AI just won again, over 20% now on the day, AIUD. Cool, let's see if we can hit 0.05 on it, and we'll take lunch. Agro Grizzly, he almost failed his homework assignment already. Not pressing any buttons. He almost overtraded Zella for Sphere 3D. Yeah, don't do that today. There's no move to make on Sphere 3D on Zella either. Both of them need some more time to hit triggers, so not a good idea to just enter Sphere 3D this morning and then exit it and enter Zella. I mean, this is gonna take till later in the day, most likely. That's what Kavo did yesterday. It was very reminiscent of Kavo yesterday. A nice strong 20% opening, and then later in the day, Kavo was hitting 30%, and then the last hour or two of the day, 50, 60, 70, 100% at the very end of the day. So, yeah, I mean, there's nothing to do on Sphere 3D until later in the day. Just chilling on it, enjoying the ride. The only move to make right now is crushing AI profits, locking in those profits on AIAD. That's why I want to see it hit the target. I don't think we're gonna have enough time to hit it right now, but hopefully at least by the end of the day or whatnot. So I wanna guide you through it. So the entries were down here. Everyone's already over 100% profits, hopefully closer to 200%. That means you don't even have to sell half. You only have to sell like a fourth of the shares to get your initial investment out. So let's say you entered with $1,000 down here, right? Okay, cool. Well, up here right now, now it's worth like 3,000, let's say. You entered with 1,000, now you're at 3,000. You only need to sell a third of it, get the initial 1,000 that you put in back out of the trade. And you could potentially hold the rest for bigger target if you want. Otherwise, it's already time to lock in some profits. You might as well just already do it. Sure, you can wait for the perfect 0.055. Do you need to? No, not at all. If you're already up 200%, you could hit the button right now. You lock in profits right now and feel awesome about it. It doesn't have to perfectly hit the 0.05. That's not even the ultimate target. It might go higher than that. So I mean, it's not about hitting 0.05. It's about locking in 200% profits. And then maybe hold the rest for the bigger target if you really want to, if you feel risky and brave and whatever. But don't hold it all for that. I don't recommend holding the entire position for the big target there. What if it doesn't happen? Take some profits, at least some of it. And you could even do it right now. You can do it when it gets closer to 0.05 or just later in the day. But by the end of the day, you better win this trade. If you're in AIAD, you better make it a victory and lock in some fucking profits. Because it is as good as it could have ever hoped to go here. It's been perfect. You won the trade. You can still lose it. You can still fuck it up. You haven't won the trade till you lock in the profits. Go straight down on Monday. Right back to your entry price. You're not going to be happy. Lock in those profits. And then you have more choices. You have more opportunities and more possibilities. A big part of trading. Alright. It's so important that we're just gonna wrap it right there. Wrap it all up in a nice knowledge burrito. You don't have to hit the perfect targets, just get the profits. The targets are the profits. We like the 0.05 target because that's a nice 300% profits. If you're already up 300%, you don't need to hit the target. You know what I'm saying? Just win the trade, take it and run. That gives you more choices. Then you have some dry powder. If you take the profits on AI this afternoon, then you have some dry powder sitting there. And you can potentially fire cannons at something else. So you actually have choices. Whereas if you're just diamond handing it, or you don't take profits or whatever, then you might get stuck in it. And you never want to get stuck in any trade. Alright, cool. We're gonna head off for a short lunch break. We'll be back within an hour. Finish the day with a bang. I'm gonna get a cold bevy, I think. Pop a cold brew after this week. It's been incredible. Thanks so much, all the kind words and support. Hope to see you back later. Happy trading. Have an awesome day. Scallywag's gonna pop on Discord voice chat if anyone wants to hop on the voice chat together while we're on break. Congrats, AIAD boys. That's awesome.